Best Sport Cruiser Motorcycle 450CL-C Review, Stylish and Nimble Cruiser for Beginners. 450CL-C, Best Sport Cruiser Motorcycle, Beginner-Friendly Cruiser, Lightweight Cruiser, Parallel Twin Engine, Performance Cruiser, Modern Design, YouTube Motorcycle Reviews. The 450CL-C is emerging as an ideal option for riders seeking a beginner-friendly cruiser that doesn't compromise on style or performance. With its lightweight cruiser frame, torquey parallel twin engine, and sleek modern design, the 450CL-C offers a compelling package in the best sport cruiser motorcycle category. Its nimble handling and approachable power make it perfect for new riders, while its visual appeal and performance-oriented features attract enthusiasts looking for a versatile performance cruiser. The bike's popularity has surged through glowing YouTube motorcycle reviews, where creators showcase its accessibility, styling, and ride quality. Engine and performance. Powered by a 449 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, the 450CL-C delivers around 45 horsepower and 35 lb-ft of torque. While modest compared to larger cruisers, the engine is tuned for smooth, linear power delivery, making it easy for beginners to control. Despite its smaller displacement, the bike performs confidently on highways and urban streets alike. Its responsive throttle and balanced chassis provide a surprisingly sporty ride, demonstrating that a lightweight cruiser can also feel like a capable performance cruiser when designed thoughtfully. Stylish and modern design. The 450CL-C features a clean, contemporary aesthetic with subtle nods to classic cruiser styling. Its low-slung seat, sculpted fuel tank, and minimalistic fenders give it a sharp, attractive profile, while modern touches like LED lighting and digital instrumentation ensure it feels current. The bike's modern design appeals to both younger riders and those new to motorcycling, offering a visually engaging experience without overwhelming complexity. Its compact size and bold lines also make it ideal for urban environments, reinforcing its beginner-friendly cruiser credentials. Comfort and handling. Ergonomics are a standout feature of the 450CL-C. A low seat height, upright riding position, and wide handlebars make the bike comfortable and manageable for riders of all sizes. Reviewers frequently highlight its lightweight handling, noting that the bike remains agile in tight city streets and stable at cruising speeds. Its balanced suspension and responsive braking further enhance confidence, giving newcomers the control they need to enjoy their ride safely. Achievements on YouTube. The 450CL-C has quickly gained traction in YouTube motorcycle reviews, with first ride impressions, comparison videos, and long-term ownership tests drawing thousands of views. Creators often emphasize the bike's combination of style, accessibility, and responsive handling. Many reviewers compare it to more expensive or larger cruisers, highlighting its ability to deliver a satisfying performance cruiser experience for a fraction of the cost. Customization and upgrade videos further showcase its versatility, appealing to riders who enjoy personalizing their machines. Conclusion. The 450CL-C proves that a beginner-friendly cruiser can be both stylish and engaging. With its smooth parallel twin engine, lightweight cruiser frame, and modern styling, it stands out as a strong contender in the best sport cruiser motorcycle segment. Supported by widespread recognition in YouTube motorcycle reviews, the 450CL-C offers newcomers a perfect combination of accessibility, confidence, and sporty performance, making it one of the most compelling entry-level performance cruisers on the market today.